Alright guys, so I have a '04 Dodge Durango. This morning I came out, it was not working, it was not turning on or nothing. So my first thing was the battery, right? So I saw that it was a little old. It's from December 2020. I got this cheap one from Walmart. But I did see these in the negative post, that corrosion there. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna get some baking soda. I'm gonna put that much water and probably like 2 little tablespoons of, I almost dropped that, 2 little tablespoons of baking soda inside. See how that acid works. If not, I'm gonna try like 3 of them, and then I'm gonna put it all over in there with a little brush and see if that works. Give me a second while I do that and I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so I have it already in here. I mixed it up. You can see the top, you see in there too. So I'm gonna scrub with the brush and see what it does, okay? Alright, so as you guys can see, as I pour the water in there, kind of like it's causing all this mess in there. That's not even with me trying to scrub it. I haven't even tried to scrub it. I'm gonna check the bottom. Let me put the phone on the side while I do that, okay? If you can hear it, I was scrubbing it a little bit with the brush. It's taken out. That should do the problem. I'm going to finish it off, clean it up, clean all these one too, and I'll let you guys know in another video if I was able to turn it on, okay? I'll probably have to charge it, but at least you know how to clean it up with just baking soda and water. Acid fights acid. Just remember that.